Today we're making soil mix for our succulents. So just finished mixing it up. And so making soil is actually one of my favorite things because it kind of makes me feel like God. So essentially what we have here is we have equal parts peat moss, perlite, and coarse sand. So this is the mix. I can't say that this is for everyone, but in Houston, this is the mix that you'll pay lots of money for and support Miracle-Gro, and instead you can just make it yourself. So equal parts perlite, peat moss, and coarse sand. Get you that good drainage, that good.